Hey, seeing random error messages in Bardeen AI, yeah, that can be confusing, though, especially when you don't know what's causing it. In this full guide, I'll walk you through all the major fixes to solve Bardeen AI errors step by step. All right, first, take a quick look at the error message. It might be a connection issue, permission problem, or integration error. Knowing the type helps you fix it faster. Next, refresh your browser tab or just restart your browser completely. Yeah, this can fix temporary glitches instantly. Now, make sure your internet connection is stable. Many Bardeen errors happen when the connection drops. Also, check extension permissions. Bardeen needs access to read and change site data to work properly. If the error involves apps like Google Sheets or Notion, try reconnecting them. Expired access tokens can break automations. Sometimes, corrupted cache can trigger errors. Go to your browser settings and clear cache and cookies. Other extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere. Try disabling them temporarily and test again. Make sure both your browser and Bardeen extension are up to date. Yeah, updates fix bugs and compatibility issues. If you're still seeing errors, just remove Bardeen and reinstall it. This resets everything and fixes most problems. And finally, sometimes the issue is on Bardeen's side. So, check their server status or community updates for outages. And yeah, that's the full guide to fixing Bardeen AI errors. One of these steps should solve your problem and get everything running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.